Well, thank you very much for being here. For me, it's a pleasure to introduce this research to all of you because this is a published paper. It's already on the network. You can find it. I want to give you the QR if you want to read it. And the idea of this research is to try to change the way we are understanding the social responsibility in our companies, in our organizations. I think, and my colleagues in this paper agree to, that we have to change the way we are understanding social responsibility. Okay, see, we are not in an ideal society. This is a very complex and very difficult to handle society. But in ideal one, we can try to have a balance between what we need to do and what the society needs. So as we try to go to the past and try to understand how the concept of the social responsibility start, we can see that Bowen, the person who proposed the terminology, talk about entrepreneurs and not about organizations and not about companies or institutions. He talked about entrepreneurs. But in our reality, in our present day, we understand social responsibility as a matter of companies. Is we try to track all the concepts around the time, about the how we understand social responsibility. We are going to see that companies, organizations is going to be always there as a main actor in every social responsibility issue. So if we analyze this concept, we're going to see that enterprise or corporate is the base of the concept, and we just are going to up to the shareholders, employees, society, and environment. But I repeat, is this the right way to understand this concept? The idea of this research is to change this way and try to see it more in our present day. You see, when the COVID-19 started, they asked us to change our way to behave in the society. Some of the requirements to avoid COVID were for individuals, like, wash your hands and try to keep the distance, something very easy. But others was collective. We have to involve more than one people to do what we need to do. So, as we try to expand our concept, we see we have in this society or this company or these communities, individuals and groups that had to work together to change something, like we did with the COVID. So we ask ourselves several questions. Which of them is the current approach is correct? We think it's not. So we are proposing this theoretical, this is one of our goals, proposing a new way to understand social responsibility with a new concept that is going to include three different, well, I want to skip this part. That's to include three different actors in there. I want to change this because it's the way we try to understand and I mean the theoretical basis. But the idea was to present this proposal, and we are going to see that the social responsibility is going to be like a triad. This triad is going to be composed by individuals, group, and corporate. But the government is going to be also inside of this particular approach, because it's going to be the actor who is going to create the legal regulations to give us the opportunity to impact directly or indirectly the environment, the quality of life, and to approach or to improve, the sustainability. You see, we are going to have the individual social responsibility. We, as a unit, have to be responsible. We need to be responsible. And we cannot see the social responsibility that's something that the company had to do, the organization had to do, human resources or anyone. No, we have to be involved in the social responsibility. But we can be part of a group. And we have our own goals, and we have our own expectations as a group. And we have, as a group, to be socially responsible. And of course, it's going to be the corporate social responsibility as a part of this triad. And it's going to combine and conciliate the individual and the group social responsibility. And it's going to work as we are working right now as a corporate, trying to make better the relationship with the environment, with the social. So the idea is to change the way we see the corporate social responsibility, and we are trying to explore the collective social responsibility model. That's why you see the M. Is to differentiate from the corporate social responsibility. So this is collective social responsibility model. This collective social responsibility model understand that corporate have to be part there, group have to be part there, and individual have to be part there. And this is going to have the different impact on the social scenarios, environment, and quality of life. This model is very close to the goals of the United Nations. And if we try to look closer to the proposal here, we can find that the quality of life is involved, that the shared responsibility is involved, and the legal regulations is involved. So this model is taking into account the goals that the United Nations are preparing for the 2030, and also is trying to explore a new way to incorporate individuals and groups into their social responsibility. To summarize this, we're trying to have more interconnection with all the actors to make better and stronger the social responsibility. We're trying to promote ethical behavior, both individual and group, and we are trying to, with this model, to empower communities effectively to try to make a better contribution to the social and to the environment. And if we try to understand the managerial implication, we are trying to promote the support and individuals and groups and social responsibility initiative. It can help people to do that. We're trying to allocate resources for employees to participate in these activities and incorporate human resources, individual social responsibility and group social responsibility into our decision making when we are trying to impact society and the environment. To make short, we are trying to present this model to improve our way to understand the social responsibility and to try to make it better, make it stronger, make it more efficient. Okay, that is the idea. If you want to read the paper, you can scan this QR and you are going to find it in ResearchGate. All the paper is in both is in Spanish and in English. All the paper is in English, but they have like 1,000 words in Spanish if you do not understand. And well, if you have any question and you have an opinion and you want to say something about this, I'm all ears. Thank you very much.